Are we live? I'm trying to do an unboxing. If you guys recall, I have received a espresso machine that was broken and I got a replacement, so I'm gonna go get the box so we can open it and see what I got. So I'm gonna leave you guys here waiting for a little bit. I'm trying to place my camera. Wow. Little extra box here. Okay, let's open this baby. I had to order something different because they didn't have the same espresso machine. So let's see. Regardless, I'm still excited. It's the 20 bar slim espresso maker. Oh, 20 bar slim espresso maker. Okay, let's open this. Course, instructions. I am sure I'm gonna need these. I need to learn how to use this for sure, just like the other one. Wow, it's so cute and small. I think I like this one better, but yeah. Oh. Of course, it has its scoop. Again, I'm gonna have to read the instructions, but isn't this cute? It is so cute. Why do I keep looking to the left when I have to look to the lens? Anyway, this is so cute. Look, I think this is the steamer. Again, I don't know how to use this, so I have to learn. But here is, oh, here's some, breaking it up already. Here's some options, I guess, of the size: 1 cup, 2 cups, and to steam. I'm gonna have to use these. It's for the coffee grains, to measure it. But it's so cute. What do you guys think? I'm gonna be making me an espresso, probably not today because I don't have any coffee grounds, but as soon as I get some, I'll record it. I know it's gonna be funny because I've never used one, but anyway, what do you guys think? Alright, thanks for watching. Bye. Okay, here's the next thing. I've been saving this box in particular. I have been trying to change my skincare to one that's a lot better. I was using some off-brand vitamin C, retinol, and I think it's time to upgrade a little bit. So I ordered this because I saw a lot of reviews, specifically on YouTube by dermatologists. So I trust in their judgment that this is something that is going to help my skin. And you know, I'm in my late 30s. Definitely something that I need to take care of. I was not a big fan of skincare, and by the way, use caution with knives. I was not a big fan of skincare, but I don't want to be looking super old when I'm in my 50s. Open this baby up. I need to find a better way to open boxes. So be careful. And if you guys have used this vitamin C, let me know what you think, or if you dislike it. So, it is the Timeless Serum that I decided to buy. Apparently they have different strengths, and I bought the less strongest, just to start off with my skin. Again, I want to see if it irritates it at all, but I bought 10% vitamin C. I'm gonna be trying it out starting tomorrow when I do my skincare. And actually, from the videos that I've watched, it says that you should be applying vitamin C in the morning and at night. So maybe I'll try it tonight and see if it leaves any type of redness, irritation. But this is what I'm gonna start using. Also, for my trip to Mexico, I went on looking for a retinol serum. This is not what I was looking for, but definitely I'm gonna give it a try as well. It says it's Eternal Secret Retinol Serum. Let me move this to the side. The pharmacist was telling me that this is a great serum. Again, this one, I think I'm just gonna use it in the morning for now. I'm gonna try it and see how it works paired with this one. And I'll let you guys know. Again, this one, I bought it from Mexico when I went, and I don't know, we'll see how it works. Also, I bought this one, but this one I'm not so sure. I'm a little hesitant. It's Tretinoin, 0.05%. The pharmacist said that I should be very careful with this one. Again, irritation, redness, if I apply without any sunscreen, definitely it's gonna be bad for my skin. And I try to use sunscreen a lot, and I keep it next to the other skincare products that I have. I actually bought a bigger bottle this time with a higher UV protection, but I don't know. I think I'm gonna give this one a try first, and we'll see about this one. But what do you guys think? Have you tried these products before? I'm excited about this one and this one. I'll think about this one, but you guys let me know. Alrighty, thank you for watching. Take care.